Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's Cowl Light Pod Brackets for Ford's 6th generation Bronco. Step 1. Assemble your brackets and light pods according to the manufacturer's instructions and with their respective hardware. Step 2. With a T25 Torx bit, remove the 2 bolts from each side of your cowl that secure your mirrors. Step 3. Install the brackets by reusing the cowl bolts. Driver and passenger brackets can be identified by the notched plate, which allows for clearance of the antenna. Wire in your lights, and you're done.